Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to show you this adorable carriage that I just made. Let me pick this up a little bit. So this die is from Surprise Creation. Okay, I will put the link in the description bar. It's this one right here. And it's designed by Nicole Silhouette here on YouTube. It's super cute. It's actually, let me see. It's 5 inches from here to here and 5 1/4 from the top of the little flag to the bottom. So it's a really nice size. So what I did, I'm going to make another one to do a card, but I turned mine into a little box. And I think it came out super cute. But I made a mistake. Can you tell what it is? So when you guys make it, okay, you see my flag is pointing this way. When I glued this piece to it, you see, it was supposed to be this way. So when you're gluing your box together, just make sure the flag is in the same direction. But I think it came out really cute. And I embossed the curtains. You guys can see it right there. And for the curtain, it does come with this die right here, which is like the little, I guess the little string to close the curtain. But I'm terrible with tiny little pieces. So I added little bling instead. Here I added the little pom-pom and a pom-pom trim here. I thought it was super cute. And then I put these little pink hearts in the little spot that it leaves. You see? So when it cuts that out. And I just cut it in a different color just to add that there. And I think it came out so cute. The box itself, again, you can make this as big as you want, but mine's is 2 inches wide. So I'm going to put pink tissue paper and fill it with, either candy or just goodies. I think it's going to be so cute. I love this die. And I don't know if you guys can see right there, it's embossed. So that there is this piece right here. It actually embosses it. You see right there? The little crown. Super adorable. But yeah, this is just a quick video showing you this die. I'm going to put the link in the description bar. Also the store. And I'm also going to put Nicole's video because she's always showing what she creates next. So pass by, tell her Wandy sent you, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.